Okay, well, I'm going to address an issue here I kind of discovered recently on the motorcycle. I'm not happy with the braking performance, and I kind of suspected that this was the case, but I didn't do anything about it until just today. And that is to check the brake disc right here, the rotor, to check it for any oil film, that tool oil film that they sometimes spray on steel parts that are going to be shipped from China to America to prevent rust during shipping, which is fine. You know, it needs to be done if it needs to be done. I mean, you're going over the ocean. But it also means that I didn't check the disc before using the motorcycle. Before I used it, I didn't clean this off of any oil residue that might have been on there from when it was made and shipped. I'll bring it close so you can maybe see what I was talking about. Right in there, like all up in here. Over there, you can see kind of like this weird film that's just everywhere. Same on both sides. And it may not even have been from shipping. It may have been when they put the assembled it. I don't know where they assembled it, in America or in China, but they might have been just residue from the bearings, from the oil for the bearings might have seeped out a little bit, and then centrifugal force would of course send it outward onto the brake rotor, and then once it's on there it gets smeared around. So anyways, I'm going to clean this all oil residue clean and clear of it. I'm going to use this right here, which is a electronic cleaner, CRC QD electronic cleaner, and this is plastic safe, rubber safe, etc., but it will cut through most light oils. If that doesn't work, then one of the reasons why I took it off here, because if it doesn't work, I'm going to have to use the regular old-fashioned actual brake cleaner, or brake clean, which is a shop grade brake cleaning spray that will cut through everything, you know, including plastic and rubber. So that's why I've got it separated, just in case this isn't enough. This I could have left it on here because it's a low-grade solvent. It dries fast, so it doesn't attack the rubber or the plastics. It's for if you're cleaning electronic contacts and stuff. You can't have it damaging your the rubber wires or the plastic clips, where, you know, connectors like it shows on there. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I got this here in case I need to scrub. I got this here for final buff out to make sure that everything's nice and clean, and we'll see how it goes. So this is just by itself here. Let's see how it does. No, I was hoping someone would take this off. Okay, well, there. See, pads need to be done too. All that dirt there, or oil. Just want to make sure that's here. Okay, there it is. That is already looking better. Try to get it to shine there. Oh yeah, look at that. Much, much better. Let me just see here. And here's that. Nice. All right. 220 grit. And Okay. Alrighty, well that's that. So yeah, very happy. Okay, I got everything reassembled here, and it's clean now. No oil residue anywhere. I've got everything sprayed off that needs to be sprayed off. I avoided any solvent on the bearing or the axle shaft. And previously, when I would spin this as hard as I could, 1 or 2 turns at most. Now, let me keep it steady. When you do the same kind of, and it goes and it goes and it goes and it goes, so it's gonna be a lot less resistance, so it'll be faster accelerating. It will last longer because of the lack of resistance. The battery should last longer. Should be less wear and tear on the drivetrain, less wear and tear on the motor and gears, less wear and tear on the slipper clutch. So I'm really looking forward to getting that on the road the next day or 2 or 3, depending on the weather. Trying to get that parking lot in use, but there's people parking and using it. How dare they?